Most software works fine when you're small, but when your cleaning business starts growing, that's when things start breaking. Manual follow-ups don't scale. Chasing clients gets harder, and what used to take 10 minutes now eats up your whole day. You don't need more software. You need smarter software. Something that grows with you. That's where Go High Level comes in. It's an all-in-one platform designed to help service businesses automate their workflows, from lead to follow-up. And at WebEye, we've taken Go High Level and built a full system on top of it, specifically for cleaning businesses. What's different? You don't start from scratch. You get a full system that's already wired to do the heavy lifting. Lead capture, instant replies, follow-ups that close jobs, appointment reminders, review requests, and a CRM that shows you exactly where every client stands. Whether you're a solo cleaner or managing a growing team, this system adapts with you, so you don't outgrow it. Click the link in the description to access the WebEye software system built on Go High Level, and finally scale your business without drowning in the day-to-day.